a big old computerized typewriter on my lap because I'm insane. My god, this thing is confusing. My last time I used this was when I was in elementary school in the office for some reason, like after school, because I probably waiting for my bus or something. The only like real typewriter experience I have is an electromechanical one by Smith Corona that's in my room in its case. That thing, like, I know how to use that for. This thing's confusing. Like, look at this shit. Like, you have like left margin, right margin instead of like having margins up here. Probably like pulling something similar to like some random like office secretary when their department got like upgraded from electromechanical typewriters to these computerized things. Stupid LCDs, dirty or whatever. Like, look at all this kind of like format, sword plate. It has like spelling feature. Like, what the fuck? It keeps doing this thing where when you're in the del print, which I think is delayed print, basically means you can type things out without it going to the page directly. How about this? Okay, backspace on a typewriter that moves the head back. Okay, fair enough. That makes sense. This thing's basically a computer, though. It's computerized. So, and in this mode, you think, oh, okay, I want to delete that H. Press backspace and it doesn't work. Okay, well, what if we press space? No, it, even in the delayed, printing mode, it does that. Which makes no sense. But it does mean you can, overlay, characters. Yeah, even on the Smith Corona, I didn't really, do that often. Except for, oh, man, I love this keyboard. Where I would put two parentheses on each other. Why is that the backspace and delete key? Why isn't it that? Like, that's not something. This arrow keys here. This is unnecessary. Make this that. And if you want to do the old school thing of overlaying two characters on the same thing, just use the fucking left arrow key. Like, what the hell? Oh, how about this? If you... I set the left margin right about there. And then... this text. I wrote it while it was there. Alright? So when I press enter... it quite reasonably goes, oh, you're done with this line. Let's go print it. And then for some reason it goes right there. And then prints it on the screen, on the paper. Quite a big difference there. And off the paper onto the rubber roller. Absolutely fantastic. That's not annoying in the slightest. And now it's doing that thing where it's in the middle of the page for some silly reason. Like, what the fuck? Who? Why? Why? So, I think I can go release, margin release, instead of clear margin or whatever. And now I can do this. Or, no, I can't. Is it because I have tabs? Is my tab setting still there? My tab settings is still there. What was that thing on the screen? Yes, I know, dumbass. You put it off the fucking paper. Oh my god. This thing is kind of unpleasant to use. Except for the keyboard. It's a buckling spring. Actually, let's take a key off. I can take a key off. See if I can take the key off. It's buckling spring, so... Fucking fantastic. It does not live up to the hype, but it's still really good. I can see why it's so hyped up. Probably won't replace my rubber dome keyboard with Model M due to A, cost, and B, I still like that keyboard. I really don't give that much of a shit about key feel, but this is nice, I will say. But yeah, oh my god, this thing is very convoluted. No, okay, let's actually delete the upload and actually film more stuff. So okay, maybe you're not supposed to put it in the middle. Okay, maybe you're supposed to put up here where this piece of plastic is for alignment, so that you can... So that you can go there. Okay, let's left margin, and let's make sure it's off of the weird blade thing. So let's do a reference to Treyarch Zombies. So for time and the world, typing with only one hand, and while filming yourself typing is quite difficult. Where was I? For time and the world, do not stand still. Change is the law of life. Let's squeeze some more words into this line on the paper. And those... Okay, we need to go to a new line. Oh, now it's gonna work. To look to the past or the present or certain to miss the future. Said, wait, no. Colon. I don't know what the hell that was. R. Fuck. Certain to miss the future. Why isn't it doing that thing? Is it because I have that set? Okay, let's say release margin. fox jumps over Is it lazy dog? I think it is. What's another thing? Does that have two? Yes, it does. Two blinking curses. Yeah, something with margins. Ah, fuck it.